Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name's Beanies. I'm so glad to have you here today, tonight, whatever time you're watching this video. I just got this idea to show you guys what's in my makeup bag. And I was like, yeah, I would want to know that. Maybe you're new to makeup, or maybe you just want to up your game with makeup, try something new. Hopefully this will help you. And what I have on today is everything that's in my makeup bag. So if you like this look, you're going to love what's in this bag. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. If you're new here, thank you for dropping by. Hopefully you want to come here and stay because it's fun over here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of more videos. But today, we're just going to be talking about what's in my makeup bag. I just thought this would really help somebody. Maybe if you're new to makeup or you just want some favorites or some products that you know are really going to work. I thought, you know what? Let's just get my makeup bag, open it up, and tell you what's in it and why I like it. So I thought it would make it fun if I just randomly pull out the items that are in my bag and show you so that, you know, it's just not so, what's the word? Formal, I guess. So let's see. So the first thing I'm going to pull out, this is one of my favorite products. This right here is the Sephora Microsmooth. Let me get the word. Sephora Microsmooth Multitasking Baked Face Powder. And I have the color 80 Sienna. This has become one of my favorite makeup products for going on 2 years now. I had bought it mistakenly, the color mistakenly. I thought that it was the color that's going to match me as an all over face powder, and it came out too dark. But I ended up using it as a bronzer, and it came out amazing. And if you hear my kids, they're out there with their dad and they're screaming. They are really excited tonight. So just if you hear that, just letting you know. But this has been the perfect bronzer, and I say blush because it has like a reddish undertone. I feel like if I'm wearing this, I don't have to wear blush. I just put it over the perimeter of my eyes, my cheeks, bronze, my nose, wherever I want bronzer, I use this. Next, the Huda Beauty Setting Powder. Amazing. So if you're like me, you look at videos, you see these shorts, you see these reels, and people are talking about their favorites. And this Huda Beauty one was one that I learned about on a YouTube video. A girl I was watching, her face was flawless. And I'm like, what is this setting powder she's using? Because after she put it on, her face looked airbrushed. It just looked so amazing. And I found out it was by Huda Beauty. And I got the color Cinnamon Bun. And it's this like yellowish, brownish color. And honestly, I can use this as an all over face powder because it just blends in like effortlessly to your skin. And I love that. I just really use this as an under eye. I set my under eyes with it. Oh, it takes your makeup to the next level. If you are a person that wears concealer and you just want to not look cakey or to not look like you just see the concealer all light, you need this. It's by Huda Beauty. And I've tried a lot of setting powders, and this one has become my favorite. Okay, let's see. Next thing I'm pulling out is this black beauty blender. I got this from Ulta and I love it. It has different angles. It has like this flat edge. It has this circle edge. It has just different, it's very symmetrical. And they did this, you can tell on purpose, for wherever parts of your face that you want to work on. So, you use this part to set in, your powder. You might use this flat part to put in your contour. Like, it's just amazing. I love this. Just got this too, and I'm a fan. Okay. The next products I'm going to show you in my makeup bags and have been in there for some years are by E.L.F. And you've probably heard about these. If not, you need to get it because they are amazing. They are the E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealers, satin finish. I get the ones with the white tops. They do have black tops, but I prefer these because they're more hydrating, creamier. I think the black are for if you want a matte concealer. So you might like that just depending on the look. But these are amazing. And I use the colors Deep Cinnamon and I use Tan Neutral, and I use both of them for under my eye or wherever I just want to highlight. Sometimes you're feeling different kind of ways. Sometimes you want a bright eye. Sometimes I just use one that's darker because I just want to look minimal, not do too much. But these two colors are perfect. You can mix them. They're just so creamy, and they're just like the perfect color for my undertone. So if you have not tried these, I definitely recommend. Okay. The next product, I'm going to show you is the NYX Blur Foundation, and it's called the Bear With Me Blurring Tint Foundation. And I have the color Deep Bronze, number 20. Amazing. Ever since this launch, which was not long ago, I did a video on it. And if you haven't seen it, I recommend you go see it. And it's my first impression, and my impression still stands. My opinion of the product still stands. I was amazed then, and I'm still amazed now. And I have not put this down. Like, this is my go-to foundation until I find another one. And I have lots of foundations. And this one gives me a matte finish that I love. I didn't know I love matte so much until I tried this. Because I've been like into the dewy, you know how the dewy look's been in, the glowy look. So most of my foundations have been like leaning towards that way, or I've made them glowy. And I put this on and I'm like, it's like the perfect matte, flawless look. And it's perfect for any occasion. I wear it to church. I wear it going on a date. I wear it just anytime, like just to feel beautiful and flawless, and it's quick and easy to put on. This definitely was thrown into my makeup bag for everyday use. The next product I want to show you is the Black Opal Foundation Stick. I love Black Opal, everything that I've tried by them, but this is the foundation stick. I love their regular foundation. It's beautiful. It's one of my favorites as well, but I just now started using the Ebony Brown foundation stick to bronze, and it is amazing. Like, I'm like, why didn't I not think of that, to do a darker foundation shade as a bronzer instead of getting like contour sticks? I have a lot of those match sticks. I have that, but this has been my favorite, just using this one because it's so creamy and blendable. And you know how some foundation sticks are kind of like stiff and hard to blend out and it looks patchy? This has been amazing. Like I said, if you're my complexion and you're looking for a pretty like brown, it just browns up the color, the ebony brown. So yeah, check that out. The Milani Make It Last setting spray. Amazing. And I've tried a lot of setting sprays, and this has been my favorite. I've heard it's a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. So if you have that and you're looking for a cheaper option, I definitely suggest you get this, because this sets in my makeup all day. It puts the prettiest, like, you know how you put on a setting spray and you really can't tell difference? This is not one. This is one you put on and it's like it takes your makeup next level, to the next level. And it's just so like the ingredients in it melt. It makes your makeup melt together seamlessly, like blends. Oh, the words are just not coming to me, but perfection. Like Milani, and it's the Make It Last original. I do have one by Milani, and it was like the charcoal one, but this one has been my favorite by Milani. So you're going to want to try this. What's next? Okay, this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette I have not put down since I purchased it. It comes with all of these neutral brown colors and some highlighting shades, and I use this highlighting color all the time. Actually use all these colors, not really this one as much, but if I did, it would be beautiful. And I have not put this down because I use it for so many ways. Like I said, it's a highlighting, I mean, an eyeshadow palette, but I use it to highlight. I use it to contour my nose. I use it as eyeshadow. I like to get the most out of my product, so why not? If you can use it for different reasons, why not do it? This one is amazing, and it was only $3. I mean, the pigmentation is so pretty. The pigment is so pretty, and that's what I love about an eyeshadow. I don't want an eyeshadow, and that's how I know it's good. Because if you put it on and it barely shows, like, I'm like, no. Give me a highly pigmented eyeshadow, and I'm going to love it. And this is exactly what that is. Let's see, what else is in here? Ooh, the E.L.F. Power Grip Primer. I love this stuff. I used to not really be a primer girl. Like, I always was like, what's the point? And sometimes I don't even use primer. It depends, really, on my mood. I'm not necessarily saying I have to have primer, because sometimes I forgot it. My makeup still came out good. But this primer, I do feel like doesn't break my skin out, first of all, because I have to be careful with what products I put on my face. And this feels like it gives me like a hydrating base before I put on my foundation, a good barrier, because lately I have been wanting a barrier between my skin and the foundation, just so that my skin is not soaking up all of the, ingredients of these makeup products, because, your skin is the biggest tissue you have. So I just wanted to make sure my skin was protected. And I feel like this does the job, and my makeup always looks beautiful after I use it. So I highly recommend. This is a dupe for, I heard, because I don't have it, but for the Milk Primer, and I love it. So I highly suggest if you're looking for a primer that just feels good. I'm trying to see if it's a hydrating. It doesn't say hydrating, but it makes it makes my skin feel super moisturized and just ready to get all of the makeup products I'm ready to put on it. It's just ready. Okay. Next product I'm going to show you is also by E.L.F. And this is their eyeliner. And it's called Jet Black. Yeah, it's called Jet Black. It's their Jet Black eyeliner. And when you open it, it's just one of these. It has, it's not the felt tip, but the movable tip. It's the prettiest black. Like, there are differences between blacks. And when I go for makeup products for my eyes and, eyeliners, I want jet black, like that super dark black. And that's what this product gives me. I love it. I use it to do my wing. I use it if I just want regular eyeliner. Like, it's the perfect, pretty jet black eyeliner, and I love it. You can also use it to put like to accentuate your moles. I just love it. It's just amazing. So if you're looking for a good, long-lasting jet black eyeliner, easy to use, I highly recommend this E.L.F. eyeliner. The next product I'm going to show you, you can tell it's been used. This is by Rimmel, and it is their matte, Stay Matte Liquid Lip color. And I have, what color do I have? Urban Affair. It was hard for me to find the title because you look for the bottle, but they put it on a sticker. So yeah, it's called Urban Affair, and it is so pretty. It's like this mauve pink neutral. I use it all the time for the middle of my lip to make that ombre natural nude lip, and it's perfect. I love it so, so much. And I use this and I pair it with this, the lip liner by MAC. I have the color Chestnut. I love this so much. I have tried dupes. I've tried everything, different lipsticks to use as a liner. But this has been the prettiest brown that I found, because some browns are like grayish brown or like too dark where it looks like I have on black lip liner, and I was never going for that look. So I always would try like dupes for this, even though I knew I wanted to try it eventually. And when I actually tried it, it has become amazing, and I will repurchase it every time, because if I find a product that is worth it, I'll get it. And this was like $21, but I'm telling you girls, it's worth it. Definitely. So it's the MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. Go get it. Okay, another product I want to show you is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Waterproof Mascara. I love this stuff. And I've heard people say they don't love it, and then I've heard people that say they love it, and I'm one of the people that love it because, like I said, with that eyeliner, it gives you the most prettiest jet black eyelashes. And that has been the issue with me over the years, finding the right one, because I don't have really long eyelashes. So I need something that's going to really make my eyelashes pop, the ones that I have. So this one has been the one to do it for me the most out of any other mascara that I've tried. And I like the consistency, the color. I like the brush on it. It really separates. It gets in there, separates your eyelashes, and makes it obvious that you have them. And that's the kind of look that I like. So if you like that, you'll like this. This is by Essence, the Lash Princess, and I have the blue. The blue is waterproof, and they also have the green, and the green is, of course, not waterproof. So I highly suggest you get this one. Okay, and the last product I want to show you that's in my makeup bag is this Wet n Wild lipstick color, and it's the color 111401, and it is the prettiest pinkish. It kind of reminds me of that Rimmel lip color, but it's like very creamy but matte at the same time. It's this pretty mauve pink color, and I love it so, so much. I honestly like do any lip color, and then I stick this right in the middle, and it makes whatever lip color I have go up like 5 levels. It's really an elevating lip color. So I suggest you get it by Wet n Wild. It's beautiful. And yeah, that's all I got to say about that one. That one's not going anywhere. I don't know if I mentioned this, but everything that I showed you guys in my makeup bag today is what I use for today's look. So if you like this look, you definitely want to go try and buy some of these items. They're amazing. I know they work, and you won't be wasting any money because they're great. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thanks for hanging out with me day or night, whatever time you're watching it. God bless you, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.